how to fix access not available error in TikTok Live Studio. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access not available error in TikTok Live Studio. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything crucial. Alright, let's jump in. First, before anything else, you need to make sure you meet all of TikTok's requirements to access Live Studio. These include stuff like being at least 18 years old, having a certain number of followers, and being in a supported region. I've listed all the requirements on the screen, so go ahead and double check that you meet every one of them. If you're missing even one, you probably won't get access. Now, once you've confirmed all of that, you just need to wait it out for a bit. Sometimes TikTok takes a few days to review your account and give you access. If you've waited a few days and still don't see anything, don't worry, you're not out of luck yet. Here's what to do next. Open up TikTok and log into the account you want to use with Live Studio. Then tap the three lines in the bottom left corner. Go to Feedback and Help tab from the available list. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. This is where you can explain your issue. You can write something like, "Hi, I meet all the requirements for TikTok Live Studio, but I'm still getting the access not available error. Could you please help me get access?" If you have a screenshot of the error, feel free to attach it here as well. Once that's done, just hit Submit and wait for TikTok's response. They usually get back to you within a couple of days, and in most cases, they'll manually enable access if everything checks out. And that's it. Hopefully, that clears things up and helps you finally get into TikTok Live Studio. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.